what's up? Papa Missouri here, guys. It is Christmas. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you got everything you wanted. I hope you got to spend time with your family, friends, loved ones. Maybe even those you don't like. But hey, it's Christmas. Spend some time with them. So, guys, today is day 25 of our 25 days of laser. And we have finally made it to the end. 24 grueling days. Today, we're not really making anything, but the winner gets to pick what they get. So we will show you the last 24 days of projects right here when they get done. We'll talk about day 25. Alright guys, so that was the first 24 days of the giveaway, and here are some slate coasters that we can make. So day 25, we thought about it long and hard. Day 25 is going to be winner's choice. We will make one set, which is 4 slate coasters, either round or square, 5 or 4 inch, to your liking. We can put Harley Davidson, we can put, you know, Celtic, Yellowstone, Christmas stuff, DC, a little gnome, you got some marble stuff, whatever your little heart desires. You got a channel? You want to put your logo on it? Awesome, let's do it. So guys, make sure to comment down below what you're interested in. And again, the winner receives a set of 4 custom lasered slate, either 4-inch round or 4-inch square coasters, and a wooden box to keep them in of their logo. All I have to do is send us the logo. So guys, make sure to comment down below. And again, thank you for all your support the last 24 days. It has been amazing. We cannot wait to start 2024 out with a bang. So guys, as always, be easy human being. Do one good thing for everybody. Go down and hit that like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.